check out this new tool set we just got in. It's a small screwdriver set of 63 precision tools. So it's 63 in one mini screwdriver set, perfect for depinning, repinning all of your automotive connectors. I'll demonstrate really quickly how we can specifically depin our most common connector, C27C2. As you can look at this tool is so small, this package of 63, it could fit in your back pocket easily. It's going to come with a variety of shapes and sizes, and it's going to really help you depin to take the face off, like in this pigtail right here. So as you can see, I took the face off of the connector, the front face, and now the next step is to reach in and locate the catches that will allow me to depin this actual 2-pin connector, Z27C2. So it's a little bit more difficult to do it with just 2 hands, but I located the catch and I hold on to it with one hand, and with the other hand I will be prying up on that small plastic catch that's going to actually release the terminal from the actual housing of the connector. And once I do, you just pull it out and the terminal and wire will come right out, and that is how you've successfully depinned this connector. And to put it back in, you just simply plug it back in. You'll hear a click once it gets pushed back in and it's in there securely. Once done, insert the front face back on, and that again will click, and then that way you've successfully and quickly depinned and repinned a connector with these tools. Now the cool thing about this, you can flip this box over and then you can see a whole new set of different little fitments that you can put on the end piece of your main component here. And then when you're done with it, all you have to do is slide it back in, and it's the same thing for when you want to break it back out. You push it in. So insert back in when you're done, and then to get it back out, just push in and it'll pop right back out, and this will give you everything that you need.